Climate change is something which is probably the single most thing all of us should be worried about. I try to impart this across the world whenever I meet students because I believe that the change can come from you. Did you know that 1/3 of the food that is produced in Singapore is wasted? Okay, that's a significant amount of food wastage in this particular country, and that is something which I think all of us can do, not using shower, but using buckets to actually have a bath. It significantly improves the water footprint. Okay.
So how important do you think skill-based learning is as compared to academic rigor?
It is very important for you to pick up skills. What skills will be relevant tomorrow will be very different from what you have today.
What are your plans for sustainability after retirement?
It has to be with you whether I retire or not. Okay? It has to be a part of life. Don't give up sports because sports teaches you so many things in life. It teaches how to work with others. It teaches how to be competitive. After 20, you may have to go back to school again at 35. Okay, you may have to go back again to school at 50, and probably, and because all of us are likely to live until 85 or 90, probably we may even have to go back to school again at 70. It's very crucial that all of you decide what is your purpose in life. It is not about making money. It's not about getting a particular job. Look at the larger purpose, okay? And the larger purpose could be things like, how do I serve the community at large? And you can make the change. So you be the change.